Hello, it's Ray Weedell, and I wanted to do another discussion with you on what's the hottest topic right now to me is AI and AI in the real estate business in particular. And I've been inundated recently, as we all have. There's been all kinds of scripts out, and the major companies in the NAR, they're in a funk right now because if the status quo, so to speak, in how to buy and sell real estate is disrupted in any major way, a whole bunch of people are out of business. And guess what? That is going to happen. It's happening now. Most real estate sales are commoditized in nature. Very few, with all of the agencies today, we've all got the same pre-marketing and marketing strategies, so we do an excellent job up front, but after that it comes down to the 3 Ps. Put a sign on the lawn, put it in the MLS, and pray that it sells, and that's how it seems 95% of the properties are moved here. So yes, maybe not CHAT GPT, maybe the next version of CHAT GPT, whatever, but there's going to be more and more and more sales that are going to be done by AI. Just going to happen. Here's your example of when it won't be. On the upper end and the niche properties, we really need a specialist, a good, solid person. Now, that good, solid person has to have all kinds of skills that AI can't give you, yes, but they better be keeping up with what's going on, because every week there's new stuff coming out and ways to improve the marketing of your property, ways to improve the appearance. All sorts of things are going on out there. He cannot rely on what was just handed out to you by your company that they spent months of research and analysis, and here it is, and they roll it out, because what they rolled out could be obsolete in 2 weeks anyway. You have to have someone who's keeping in touch with what's going on and has all the interpersonal skills, negotiating skills, common sense. That's in short supply these days and can get the deal done. Sometimes you only get one buyer. You may have your home on the market for 6 to 9 months. You may have one solid buyer come in, and the agent better be able to recognize who that solid buyer is and be able to keep them on the table and moving it. I'm talking about niche properties, high-end properties, particularly waterfront properties. AI cannot replace an excellent agent who knows how to use AI. That's a major distinction. Let's talk about this in the future. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Ray Weedell, LPT Realty. Thank you.